Selamat datang di Lulus Learning. Kali ini kita akan lanjut dengan materi bahasa Inggris kelas 8 SMP, Kurikulum Merdeka, Unit 2, Kindness and Happiness. Section 1, say what you know. What kind of situation makes you have these feelings? Di situasi atau suasana seperti apa yang membuatmu merasakan atau memiliki perasaan-perasaan yang ada di bawah ini? Happy, I got a birthday present from my best friend. Saya mendapat hadiah ulang tahun dari teman baikku. Jadi situasi yang membuat seseorang itu happy adalah mendapatkan hadiah. Nah, ini contoh. Di yang berikutnya ini adik-adik berikan contoh-contoh lain, contoh-contoh situasi yang membuat adik-adik merasakan perasaan-perasaan ini. Oke? Sad, sedih. Situasinya misalnya, my friends did not remember my birthday party. Teman-teman saya tidak mengingat pesta ulang tahun saya. Worried, khawatir. She is concerned about the bad weather. Dia khawatir dengan cuaca buruk. I have a fear of darkness and an empty room. Saya takut akan gelap dan ruangan yang kosong. Next, surprised. She suddenly got a shock news. Dia tiba-tiba mendapatkan berita yang mengagetkan. Nah, ini perasaannya biasanya surprised, kaget. Angry. My mom is upset with my younger brother. Ibu saya kesal dengan adik laki-lakiku. Heartbroken. When he left her, she was heartbroken. Ketika dia meninggalkannya, dia perempuan patah hati atau sedih. What are your feelings on the ugly duckling story? Nah, jadi setelah adik-adik kemarin mendengar ceritanya The Ugly Duckling Story, yang mana dia dikucilkan oleh saudara-saudaranya atau bebek-bebek yang berwarna kuning, seperti apa perasaanmu? Are you happy, sad, worried, scared, surprised, angry, or heartbroken? Okay, you are different. You are not yellow but gray and brave. Nah, kita lanjut. Yang berikut di sini ada section 2, viewing. Read the following conversation between Ibu Ida and her students. Baca percakapan di bawah ini di antara Ibu Ida dan para siswa. Have you listened to the story of the ugly duckling? Did you enjoy it? Yes, Bu, but it was sad. I feel sorry for the ugly duckling. Yeah, I also feel the same. What about you, Mon? Well, I actually feel angry with the yellow ducklings. The story is not finished yet. I'm going to share the last part of the story. What will happen to the ugly duckling, Boo? You will find out soon. Here is the ending of the story. Sebelum kita ke ceritanya, coba adik-adik berikan circle di sini. Circle other four animals that you will find in the story. Nah, yang kemarin yellow ducklings dia sudah ketemu ya si itik buruk rupa. Berarti kemungkinan dia tidak akan ketemu dengan mereka lagi. Kemudian juga mother duck, dia tidak ketemu. Sehingga dia kemungkinan akan bertemu dengan hewan-hewan ini. Chickens, swans, a cow, and then a duck. Sebelum ke ceritanya, coba kita lihat dulu. Did you know 5 facts about ducks? All ducks have highly waterproof feathers. They can swim all day but stay dry. Ducklings always swim and walk as a group and always stay close to their mother to avoid predators' attack. Ducks are birds, but they are normally found in places where there is water like ponds, streams, and rivers. Ducks will lay more eggs with more daylight. Duck eggs normally will hatch within 28 days. Section 3, Reading. Read the final part of the ugly duckling story. See the word box. Baca bagian akhir cerita dari The Ugly Duckling, kemudian lihat kata-kata di sini yang akan membantu adik-adik memahami teksnya. Word box, care, cared, peduli, exclaim, exclaimed, berseru, greet, greeted, menyapa, land, landed, mendarat, sniff, sniffed, mengendus, grown up, dewasa, honest, jujur, hungry, lapar, nervous, gelisah, shame, malu, tired, lelah, politely, dengan sopan, pond, kolam, reflection, bayangan. That night, the ugly duckling flew away. He landed on the other side of the river. There he met two grown-up chickens. "Can I please stay here?" asked the ugly duckling politely. "Why do we care?" said one of the chickens. "Go away!" exclaimed the other. The ugly duckling walked with his head down in shame. He was sad. The next morning, the ugly duckling flew away. He landed on a farm. Suddenly, a big hungry dog came. The dog chased the ugly duckling. Woof, woof! The ugly duckling was scared. The dog sniffed and sniffed at him, then turned away. "I am too ugly even for the big, hungry dog to want," said the ugly duckling. He felt heartbroken. The ugly duckling was very tired, but he flew and flew till he found another farm. There he met a cow. "Can I please stay here?" asked the ugly duckling nicely. "Why do I care?" replied the rude cow. She then yelled, "Moo! Go away!" Once again, the ugly duckling walked away with his head down. He felt heartbroken. As time passed, the ugly duckling grew up. He flew and flew till finally he found a clear pond. He saw some big white birds swimming in the pond. "Wow, they are very beautiful," he thought, "but I'm too ugly to be their friend." "Hi," greeted the ugly duckling. The beautiful white birds looked at him. It made the ugly duckling feel nervous. Suddenly, the biggest white bird exclaimed, "Hey, look! We have another swan here." "No, no, I'm not. I am an ugly duckling," said the ugly duckling. He shook his head. The beautiful white swan smiled and said, "Look at yourself in the water and tell us." The ugly duckling saw a reflection in the water. He was surprised. "I am a swan just like you all." "See, we are being honest with you," said the other swans. They then became friends and lived happily together. Nah, jadi singkat cerita dari The Ugly Ducklings ini adalah ternyata dia adalah seekor angsa, bukan seekor itik atau bebek. Itulah kenapa rupanya berbeda dengan bebek yang di cerita sebelumnya yang berwarna kuning. Oke, menarik ya ceritanya adik-adik. Nah, yang berikut ini ada latihan. Silahkan adik-adik menjawab berdasarkan teks yang sudah kita baca sama-sama tadi. Which statements are true based on the story? Number 1 has been done for you. Number 1, the ugly duckling went away from the mother duck and the yellow ducklings. Anak itik yang buruk rupa itu pergi dari ibu bebek dan anak bebek yang berwarna kuning ya, atau saudara-saudaranya yang di cerita pertama. Dan ini betul ya, so ditulis true. Nah, coba yang kedua adik-adik jawab dahulu sebelum kakak berikan jawabannya. He met 2 baby chickens. True or false? Ya, it's false. He met 2 baby chickens. Kalau di cerita itu betul dia ketemu ayam, tapi bukan anak ayam ya. 2 grown up chickens. 2 ayam yang sudah dewasa. Number 3, the chickens were very friendly to him. True or false? That's false. Jadi ayam-ayam itu ramah atau welcome sama si itik yang buruk rupa ini. Jawabannya salah ya, karena mereka mengusirnya. Number 4, a dog chased the ugly duckling. Seekor anjing mengejar itik ini. True or false? Ya, it's true ya. Ada di teks anjingnya mengejar itik tersebut, kemudian dia mengendus-endus gitu, lalu dia pergi. Number 5, the ugly duckling felt shy around the dog. It's false. Dia bukan merasa malu ya, tapi takut nyawanya terancam dikejar oleh anjing tersebut. Number 6, a cow made the ugly duckling feel heartbroken. Yeah, it's true. Next, the ugly duckling was scared of the big white birds. Di waktu dia ke kolam, dia melihat burung-burung putih yang besar, dia merasa takut. It's true or false? That's false. Karena dia justru berani menghampiri mereka ya. Dia duluan yang menghampiri burung-burung angsa itu. And the last one, the ugly duckling became happy at the end. Itik yang buruk rupa tersebut yang ternyata adalah seekor angsa menjadi bahagia di akhir cerita. Ya, that's true. Dia berkumpul bersama teman-temannya sesama angsa.